Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Erika Fahjati. I will tell my short story. Is namely my activities in the month of Allah grace. The plan is an activity before the implementation of the activity. Everyone better have a plan. A well-crafted plan will have a good impact on oneself in the future and vice versa. The benefit of planning is that activities are structured so that they can support the development and productivity of the activities undertaken so that they run as desired. I'm a student. I'm also an organizational activities. I have many activities. As a student, I have the task of studying, doing assignment given by the rector, as well as understanding the lesson learned so that in the future it can be useful, especially for myself. Meanwhile, as organizational activities, they also have their own tasks to do. Therefore, in order for my assignments to be complete on time, I have to make a structured schedule. The plan can start with a little target first, which is to make a schedule for the next 1 month. 1 month. Regarding the activities for the next 1 month, I have a separate plan that is scheduled so that all the activities I do are not messy and waste precious time in vain. The plan is in the next 1 month. 1 month, I will be diligent in exercising in the morning. This activity will make the body more fresh in doing anything. Exercise can help maintain physical health. A healthy body can make you mentally healthy too. The next activity plan is to study diligently for UTS, which will be held for the next 1 until 2 weeks. One of the benefits of this study is so that when I work on UTS, I can do it well. In addition, learning will train the brain to work well. Then my third plan is to do my job to the accurately as possible, lest my assignments become neglected. Tasks that I have not finished, if they are completed soon, will help lighten the next job because I will only focus on one job. In addition to the 3 plans above, I also have other plans for the next 1 month. Namely, learning to cook. I put this cooking activity into my plan for the next 1 month so that I can later become proficient in cooking. Coincidentally, coinciding with the month of Ramadan allows cooking activities to be something that needs to be done because giving delicious dishes can get its own reward and satisfaction. The month of Ramadan is a glorious month. I start the month of Ramadan with good activities. With good activities. In the evening, toward the first phase on the month of Ramadan, I studied an introduction to Mandarin course and a enterprise resource planning course which the which will be tested on Monday, April 4, 2022. After studying, I took a break to prepare for the exam the next day. The time for sahur came. I got up to study again. At the beginning of my phase, I didn't pass because there was an obstacle, namely menstruation. Times time passed. On a sunny morning, I cleaned up like a morning shower. After that, I read the morning zikr as my worship activity. Then, at that time, I also had time to take my grandmother to the market. After that, I helped my mother to dry clothes and clean the yard. I also exercised a little around the house until finally it was time for the Reeves Enterprise Resource Planning exam. I worked hard on the exam until it was over. After doing the exam, I took a break until finally I entered the second exam, namely Introduction to Mandarin. In this exam, the exam test is orally and the grade has been given. The exam takes turns given a special time of about 5 seconds to answer its question. After the exam, after the turns given, after the exam was over, I took a short break by reading story or looking at studying social media such as YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Towards sunset of iftar, I end my break and help my mother prepare the breaking the fast menu. After that, I read the evening remembrance. It was time to break the fast. I also ate with my family. The activities I described earlier I do every day during Ramadan, but with different course exams and different exam hours. Some are in the morning around 10:15 a.m. Some are at 15:30 p.m. Some are at 10 a.m. Also because I'm still absent or menstruation. Some are at 10 p.m. also, because I'm still absent or menstruation. So, in this month of Ramadan, during the beginning of the month of Ramadan until now, my activities are morning dhikr, evening remembrance, helping parents, taking grandmother to the market, doing midterm exams or UTS, reading stories, Qiyamul with dhikr, studying with the intention of worshipping for Allah and praying. Then, when I'm not productive fully, I usually read stories and watch social media like YouTube, Instagram, and WhatsApp. Usually on YouTube, I look for prophetic prayers and vlogs or videos for learning that can add new skills or just get rid of boredom in activities. Until today come, which today is the time for the English practicum exam at 13 p.m. In this practicum course, I took an exam by reading an activity story in English and video. I took an exam by reading an activity story and video in English and make this. I took an exam by writing an activity story and video in English. Besides English, there is also an advertising management exam from 15 p.m. to 16:40 p.m. on this Thursday, April 7, 2022. Okay, and then conversation to completing my stories, short stories. One day during my midterms and the months of Ramadan, I often talk with my mother. Erica, Mom, please pray for me so that I can do the exam smoothly. Mother, yes, mother always prays to be given is. Erica, Amin. Then, during the exam, I was confused because the time was short. Erica, oh Allah, how about this? It's only a short time. Mom, how is it? Mother, well, do as fast as you can. Do not be late. Erica, okay, Mom. Bismillah, I will do it quickly. Thank Allah, it's finished. Mother, have you finished the exam? Erica, Alhamdulillah, there will be another afternoon. Mother, let's eat first, okay? Erika, okay, Mom. I immediately ate so that the exam time could do my thinking well. After the exam, I helped my mother. At that time, I want to cook, but I had was the dishes. I did the dish first. Erica, Mom, what do you want to cook? I want to help cook. Mother, Mother cooks egg martabak. You haven't washed the dishes. Go wash them first. Erika. Okay, Mom, I have washed the dish. The next. Okay, Mom, I have washed the dish. The next activity is to the help other mother. Rick is it salty yet? Erika, not enough, Mom. It's spicy. Mother, okay. Later again. A few minutes later, Erika, was asked to test again. Mother, how already salty? Erika, not enough, Mom. Mother, here, add this salt. Erika, yes, Mom, it's salty. After that, I or Erika prepared to eat family items because I didn't fast. I felt it while reading Islamic stories and evening remembrance. Okay, that's it all. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.